name of Graz comes from the Slavic word grade, meaning small castle. While in Graz, we stayed at the Hotel Herzog Johann. This hotel dates back to the 16th century when it was the home of Archduke Johann. Archduke Johann was a grandson of Maria Theresa. Also, he was the brother of Austria's first emperor. About 140 years ago, the hotel was converted from a residence to a hotel. It has been a family business over the last 100 years. The center of the hotel is covered by a glass roof forming a Baroque garden, which contains the hotel's restaurant. Above the restaurant, there are quite a few of the rooms that overlook it. The doors open out. This morning we're going to tour of Graz. There are 18 members in our tour group, including Bob Hornstein. That's the gentleman in the blue jacket. The lady in the green jacket is Holga. She's our guide for this morning. We're now standing in the city square, which is only a half a block from the hotel. While there, we're filming a beer commercial. This building on the city square is the city hall. This is the House of Blue, dates back to the 17th century. The clock there, when it was original, it only had one hand, just for the hours. The minute hand has been added in the last century. glockenspiel.